Colin here with Max Tie Downs to introduce a very exciting product. We're referring to this as HD Heavy Duty Tube Track. This is a product produced out of steel 1.5 square tubing with a 3/16 inch thick sidewall. It's a unique laser cut pattern in here that's designed to accept the fittings that slide throughout the length of the track, as well as on the bottom side we've laser cut a series of 3/8 inch diameter holes on a 2-inch center line to hit your common crossmember centers in the way in which your trailer was constructed. Been trying to come up with a method for several years now of addressing what I call a typical plank deck trailer, knowing that those planks are 1.5 inches thick. Now, as all of you are aware of, we have a number of track offerings in our stable, but we don't have anything that's 1.5 inches tall until now. So to install this track, it's really simply a matter of determining where you want the track to reside on your trailer, ripping that section of lumber that's 1.5 inches width. Obviously it's already 1.5 inches tall. Remove that section of lumber and replace it with the tube track. The alignment is simple. You can see from the top down when it aligns properly with your crossmember center lines. Drill right through these top holes, exiting the bottom hole, therefore drilling the hole in your crossmember to put the nut and washer on the bottom side. Initially, this offering is in steel only, plain finish only. In other words, no paint, no powder, knowing that you're going to mess with it. And we're also trying to keep the cost down and the packaging reduced. The length will only be an 8-foot length, at least initially, so that we can send it via UPS and not incur truck freight charges. But please, if you've got needs other than that, let us know what they are and we'll see if we can't accommodate you. At this time, we have developed 2 separate fittings that lock into the new HD tube track. One is our 12,000 pound D-ring that we've offered for many years with a unique trolley attached to the base of it, allowing the integration with our track. The other is a low-profile lashing winch, and I do mean low for you exotic car guys and street rods that sit just like they should. We're about 2.5 inches off the deck with this. Absolutely the lowest in the industry by far, plus it moves. Pretty cool. Super simple to install into the track as well as remove from the track. You simply pick the desired location in the track, drop that into place and move it over 1/2 inch. When you hear that click, it's locked in. Same with the D-ring. Just like that. It was so fast I'm happy to repeat it. Pull up on this plunger, slide it 1/2 inch to remove and to replace. Drop that into place, move it over. So at that point, you're ready to tie down your favorite vehicle or cargo and hit the road safely. For more information, maxtiedowns.com or call us at 800-666-1586.